Okay guys, welcome back to another one. So the one we're doing here is actually fairly tricky. So here we've got pair of simultaneous equations where it looks a bit like this, okay? And we're going to actually have a fraction problem. So we're going to see in a second what's happening. So how do we do this? Well, first things first, we should make either x or y the subject. Because this second equation is kind of laid out for us, we should just simply divide it by 3 to get x subject. So this should become x equals 2 minus y all over 3. And that's it. Now the hard thing is to, well, not hard, it's still easy. We need now to plug this in the original equation. So let's do that. So x squared is going to be all of this term squared. So we're going to have, let's have a look. We're going to have 2 minus, oops, let me make some space here. Okay. 2 minus y over 3 all squared plus y squared equals 20. Now, just like all quadratic equations, when you have a square, you have two lots of these. So we're going to have basically, according to the problem, 2 minus y over 3 times 2 minus y over 3. And remember, this you go see the top half as double brackets. So you just multiply 2 minus y by 2 minus y using the FOIL method. As for the bottom, it's just a head-on. 3 times 3 is 9. So let's have a go. Using the 4 to times the top half, we've got 2 times 2, which gives us 4. 2 times negative y is minus 2y. And here we should get another minus 2y, so we have minus 4y. And then minus y times minus y is plus y squared. And notice we got the bottom half, so 3 times 3 is just 9, so it'll be all of this over 9. Now we just copy the rest of the equation. So we've got plus y squared equals 20. Okay, now what do we do from here? So first things first, you want to clear the fractions. You want to get rid of the 9. And to do that, we need to multiply all of this side by 9. So let's do that. Times it by 9 means this will cancel, so we're left with 4 minus 4y plus y squared. And now we go times these guys by 9, so we only get plus 9y squared equals, and 20 times 9 is 180. Nice. Now collecting like terms, and then moving everything to the left and equaling to 0. So y squared plus 9y squared, y squared will give us 10y squared minus 4y. And then 4 take away 180, so quick, you could do the other way around. 180 take away 4 is 176, and then bring it to the left to give us a negative 176 equals 0. Right, almost there. Now this part, we should always try to simplify this equation. And notice in this, we can try and divide everything by 2 because they're all divisible by 2. Doing that would give us 5y squared minus 3, not 3y, 2y I mean. Yep, delete. 2y minus 88 equals 0. Okay, it should be 88. Now lastly, to factorize this, we notice that 5y squared is 5 is prime, so it'll be 5 and 1. So as a double bracket, it will look something like this. So we're going to have 5y on this side and y here. So almost done, guys, almost done. Now, we need two numbers to multiply to get 88. So let's do it on this side, yeah? And we have to be very clever because whatever pairs of numbers we choose, one of them needs to be multiplied by this 5 in order to get a difference between those two numbers of 2. So breaking down 88 into two numbers, we should get we can say 2 and 44. But if we multiply 2 by 5, you get 10 and 44, which won't give you a difference of 2. Let's try 4. Let's try 4 and 22, because 4 times 22 is 88. Now, we need to pick something to multiply by 5. Of course, we're going to choose this one, because that will give you a massive number. And we can see that 4 times 5 is 20. 20 and 22 actually give you a difference of minus 2. And to do that, it has to be 20 take away 22. So this 4 needs to be multiplied by 5. So this 4 must go here. Has to be negative, and then the 22 goes here. Has to be positive. Okay. Actually, sorry. It should be negative 22 and plus 4. Because the difference needs to be minus 2. So plus minus. Okay, and yeah, so that's it. And therefore, we should get 5y equals 22, meaning y equals 22 over 5, which is, let me see in my head, 4.4. And yeah, and the second one, y equals -4. That's it. So yeah, it looks like we're almost done here, but actually, remember, because it's a pair simultaneous equation, you also need to find the value of x. So what we have to do now is literally plug in these y values into this x equation, which we neatly have over here. And this will give us our value of x. So we could say when y equals 4.4, we have 2 take away 4.4, which is minus 2.4, and it's over 3. I mean, you could word this out because I actually didn't bring my calculator. So you get something like that. I think I can kind of see the answer, but I can't quite see it now. And of course, when y equals -4, this whole thing becomes 2. And that's it, guys. I mean, I hope this video helped, and let me know if you've got any questions. But if you enjoyed it, please give me a like and share this with your friends, yeah? And other than that, I shall speak to you guys soon. And ciao.